Tell us about this seasonal trend that we typically see in Japan. Are we going to see it this year, and what drives it?
Good morning, Paul. Yeah, so the Japanese stocks had a wobbly start this quarter, but if you look at the historical data, this quarter is actually the best. And there could be many reasons for that. The one possible reason is that foreign investors tend to buy Japanese stocks in April. And also that applies to Japanese investors as well. I mean, the selling at the start of this quarter is thought to be basically stemming from profit taken by Japanese institutional Japanese investors, but many market players expect them to rebuild their position at some stage, and it's the start of their new financial year, so traditionally they should have plenty of cash to invest. So basically, this April-June quarter seems to be the best time to buy Japanese stocks, and of course, it's nice to see cherry blossom, but it's not just that. It's also probably more to do with the fact that it's the start of new financial year.
Well, long-term investors tend to come back, foreign investors at this time, right? I'm sure they want to see cherry blossoms, but they probably also want to see evidence of corporate governance reforms.
Yeah, exactly, and that is what makes this quarter especially interesting because people have been talking about corporate governance, and there's been sort of incremental progress, but a lot of investors now expect the companies to come up with more detailed plans on what capital efficiency improvement. And during this quarter, basically many Japanese companies announce annual earnings, and with that they are also likely to announce their capital efficiency plan. And some companies might do that even ahead of the official earnings. For instance, Itochu, which is one of the top 5 trading companies, it has just announced a capital plan yesterday. So it said it will target dividend payout ratio of 50%, and that boosted its share prices quite sharply yesterday. So a lot of investors are hoping that that kind of moves can be repeated during the season. That said, there is some caution in the market as well, because the market has risen so much during the last quarter. The topics was up more than 15%. So we'll have to see whether companies can meet up the heightened expectations.